Hello, let's do a quick video about freedom of information. Now, freedom of information requests are different to subject access requests. A subject access request is where you ask an organisation for your personal data. But a freedom of information request can also come in handy. For example, you can ask for minutes of meetings under freedom of information. So if you are struggling to get hold of some information because they're saying GDPR stops them, ask for minutes of meetings under freedom of information. Really useful for dealing with the child maintenance service, really useful for dealing with social services. Now, freedom of information requests have to be complied with within 20 working days. Effectively, take into account weekends, holidays, effectively within one calendar month. Schools are slightly different. Schools can extend that longer for the school holidays. I did a freedom of information request recently, and the 20th working day was 2 days after the end of the Christmas holidays. So I had to wait a little bit longer. But yeah, 20 working days normal. And all you have to do is ask for a freedom of information request, but keep it slim. Don't ask for loads and loads and loads of information, because if it costs so much to comply with it, they can refuse it. But if you ask for, say, a minute of a particular meeting or minutes of a group of meetings, they should be supplied to you. Some of the personal information will be redacted. What you can ask for, or you can try to ask for, is for the bits containing your details not to be redacted. But that's obviously up to the organisation providing the minutes as to what they actually include. So very simple. If you're getting nowhere with a subject access request, put in a freedom of information request, 20 working days. If they don't comply that under section 10 of the Freedom of Information Act, after 20 working days, if they don't comply with that, you can take it to the Information Commissioner. And if they still don't comply with that, the Information Commissioner will ultimately follow it up. Hope this video has been useful, really useful for getting copies of minutes. Have a great day, and don't forget to like and subscribe. This channel is gradually growing, and with your support it will become bigger, and hopefully the information on this channel will be of more use to more parents. Thank you very much. Have a great day. See ya. Bye.